the flag up high today. Red, green, white, and black will stay. Each color tells our nation's song. United we stand, forever strong. Seven shining Emirates, proud and free, from the desert to the sparkling sea. Sheikh Zayed's dream still lights the way. In our hearts, the U.A.E.
Abu Dhabi, capital bright, home of the Sheikh Zayed Mosque so wide. Dubai reaches up to the sky. Burj Khalifa, the world's highest pride.
Sharjah's culture, art, and books. Ajman's beaches with peaceful looks.
Al Quwain, calm and fair. Ras Al Khaimah's mountains touch the air.
Fujairah, lungs of the land, fresh and green by nature's hand. Red for bravery, white for peace, green for growth that will never cease.